Welcome back, guys, and this is not the way I wanted to start this video. Been working hard for these daily vlogs for you guys, and unfortunately I had an issue today. I just went ahead to load what was on the GoPro onto the computer. I knew I had a memory card issue earlier, but it happens frequently on these GoPros, and apparently it deleted all my footage for today, and that's a big letdown. I had a lot of good footage for you guys today on the EG hatch build, and along with other good things throughout the day, and unfortunately we lost all that content. So I'm going to go ahead and use some content I had planned for tomorrow to try to get ahead for you guys, but that's just what happens, guys. I'm sorry. I really wanted to give you some more of the hatch content, and it sucks that we lost that today, but you guys are going to go ahead and see some really cool content today, and I'm sorry that it doesn't have an ending because, like I said, it wasn't planned on using it. But let's go ahead and jump into the day, and I hope you guys enjoy. Here we are, Ranchbuilt, got their trailers that they're nice enough to let us use, and Civic is coming home. Figured I'd give you some updates on the Forester, see what we got. I got Civic. You ready to be on camera, Charlie? For the people. He's running away. That's all right, Chris told me I can record. I got the man to blame if we don't have a Forester by Friday. The man to blame is right here. Really putting them up. No. Here's the Forester getting their turbo placement. I like the placement. Nothing? No. I won't put him on the spot, guys, but there's the turbo on Forester. Intercooler's getting mounted. Obviously you can see they got the turbo hand in there getting ready. I think I showed you guys before the difference where the up pipe is and where the turbo is right now is quite the difference. So they're gonna be making a new up pipe for this thing, new down pipe, and a couple other things. But I won't put them on the spot. Here we have the Civic. You guys haven't seen this thing in a while. Pretty excited for this thing to come back, guys. Last time you saw this is when we sent that stock motor to the moon. She's still got a stock motor in her right now, but this time it's just for mock-up. Let me pop the hood on this and show you guys. She just went through some changes. This thing is completely different. Damn. Look at that. All right, let me try to put this hood up. Sorry guys for the angle there. All right, here we are. So she went through a lot of changes over the last, I think it's been here for a month. So shout out to Ranchbuilt for getting this thing done so fast. But we have a Precision 7385 42R fitting real tight in here. They built a custom one-off turbo manifold for this thing. I didn't show it before and it's gonna be hard, but I did a billet collector. That's a Elmer Race billet collector, 60 mil wastegate. It has a billet flange on the head, and then Ranchbuilt custom built and fabricated this beautiful manifold. Almost equal length. With doing a sidewinder like we have here, it's almost impossible to get these things to be equal length. What do you think of your bolts?
I'm looking at that. Looks nice.
It looks nice now, huh?
I like it a lot.
Came out really good. That's a big turbo to fit in this engine bay. So they've done a lot of work on this thing, like I said, over the last month. If you look in here, we now have our other set of injectors in. So we have 1700 cc as the primaries, ID 2000 cc's as the secondary injectors, and they did get them all wired up. Also in here, this bundle of wiring, that is for every sensor I can monitor, guys, so we can have everything hooked up on this thing. It now has fuel pressure, oil temp, it has a strain gauge, and it has a clutch delay valve. So over here they did a Magnus delay clutch delay valve right here. So what that does, for those of you that don't know, you can literally sidestep the clutch. I can program this to it automatically delays when the clutch releases in the clutch pedal. So I'll show you guys a video later of that working, but that just makes it so you can get your perfect 60 foot every single time and replicate that. I know you're picking this apart. What, are you looking at those grommets?
The grommet and
Dude,
the snap.
It does look like that. This
is the grommet.
This is a little $200 K20 A3 in here, guys. Killer deal. It runs and drives, but obviously it's not going to stay in here. It's just for fabrication purposes. So don't judge it. It's a little dirty. Some of you may not remember, this does have a sequential dog box in here. So Missing gears is a thing of the past, bud.
No more.
We're missing gears now. I'm taking my very expensive transmission with it. So I know there's gonna be poor lighting in here. Josh, you wanna open that door so we can get some lighting? That's what happens when you have 2% tint on this thing. So coming inside the car, things have changed in here too. Here's the sequential. Like I said, lighting's a little bit poor, but really just straight back, straight forward. That's all we got. And we got our staging brake in here too. So I'm pretty excited for this, guys. Excited to go race this thing. I do plan on putting our shift boot back in here. Everything in here is done and wired up. They even gave it a good cleaning. Still smells the same.
Yep, smells good.
Yeah, I gotta tuck up the wiring some more over there. Everything's apart because I gotta pull this thing apart again anyways for the new motor. They just, like I said, added every sensor that we could want and have on this thing. I'm happy to have the data now. And we got a staging brake, like I said, from Chase Bays, all plumbed in. Finish line brake lines was what we used, and it looks really cleanly done. They custom built this piece here, which I might get powder coated later on to be black for the interior, but still a full interior car. Josh gives me crap over here. He says it needs a cage.
I'm not giving you crap, I'm telling you, put a damn cage in it.
Maybe when she proves that she needs a cage, then I still won't. I don't want to put a cage in this thing. This car's too nice for a cage, Josh. I'm the third owner of old girl. I've only cut her up a little bit. Well, Ranchbuilt's cut her up. I haven't cut her up. She's only cut up a little bit.
She's pretty.
I forget I own the thing. They also did a secondary fuel tank, guys. I don't know how well you'll be able to see. I'll have to get it in the air, but they created a secondary fuel tank over there. So we have the FCS 6-gallon here, and we have a Ranchbuilt 6-gallon over there with a crossover tube. She now has a 12-gallon capacity for fuel, so we don't go hit the gas station twice in one night for all the street driving we do in Mexico. New wheels for the front. You guys know that drove me nuts, is having this stick out as much as it does. So Bellick, the guys over there, and Damien, and got us out these new wheels. Big shout out to Miles. He was helping us out with this. His car fits much better than this does in the front. These are just an off-the-shelf part. These are not so much an off-the-shelf part. So with these comes some custom fabrication to get them to clear your brakes and get them to fit the car, but Ranchbuilt got that taken care of. I'm excited to get these things on the car and not have the poke in the front and have more of an OEM body. But what do you think of her?
Lambo?
That is my Lambo right here. I know a lot probably ask and wonder. No joke, this car is a good portion of what I really want in the future of a Lamborghini. Not that this is a Lamborghini, guys, maybe a drug dealer year style Lamborghini like the 06 years, but not the Huracan I want. It's not. To do something like this and this type of build of this car, to give you an idea, I'm over the 100K mark in the car. So, but you got to keep in mind where it is and what parts it does have. The transmission alone in this car, if you were to buy it, is right around 22 to 23 grand. The turbo is another 4 grand. You know, the fabrication work, obviously, a built motor, the all-wheel drive, things add up. There's a lot of things that this car does have that you wouldn't necessarily have to do to build this car, like the brand new CTR headlights, the brand new Recaros in it. I mean, it has a $5,000 stereo in the car. I mean, it's just things you don't really need to build this car to get it to that level, so don't take it that way. I was just telling you where I'm at with the car and what it is to me. You know, I care a lot about this car. This is my childhood dream car. I'm very happy and fortunate to be able to have it now. By no means am I trying to flaunt it. It's just for those of you that do ask, what are you in a car, or, you know, how much money does it take to get there? That's what it does for this. So I'm excited to bring this thing home finally. Unfortunately, it's still gonna be sitting in the background because I'm waiting on the motor. We chose to go with a JBR 1400 aluminum rod K20 in this thing. So you guys know it had a K24 before, going to the K20. Now we'll be able to rev it out more and be able to use a lot more of our precision turbo here. Obviously it's a pretty big turbo for the street especially. So you ready to go for a ride or what?
With the A3?
With the A3 in it? My goal for the car, guys, is to make 1,000 wheel. I also didn't tell you guys we rebuilt the viscous coupler in the car. It now has 60K fluid in it, which should be close as we can get to 50/50 all-wheel drive. It does have a billet transfer case in it too. It does have a front LSD in it now, M-Factory LSD, PPG, I believe transfer gear. a lot of things have been done in the drivetrain, and a lot of things have changed since the last time. Everything that it really needed, because a lot of the parts were stock before. Now, Josh doesn't even know what to do.
I don't. I mean, Andrew's car was fun.
Yeah, that
So
car
I
was
can only
great.
imagine what you're gonna do with this one.
So we're gonna get ready, get prepped to get the thing in the trailer. I know I'm talking a lot again, but hopefully you guys are enjoying it. I don't want to put them too much on the spot here. This is their work zone, their area. I just wanted to show you the Foresters making progress. Hopefully we'll have it back by Friday for you guys so we can stay up on that. Wanted to tell you a little bit about the Civic. Some of you may not follow or know about this car too much. I haven't put it on the channel a whole lot, but I just wanted to explain a little bit about it. And we're gonna get that thing loaded, go back, and then we're gonna get Chase's STI loaded in the trailer and get it here so we can start getting some of the case swap STI content to you guys. I am too, the supportive dad.
Whatever.
What are you talking about?
My car.
Willis?
What? I just need support. That's all I need. Moral support.
What are you doing with my line? Leave her. Guys, you excited for the Forester or what? I am.
Nah, it's gonna be. Nah, just kidding.
Wow.
You guys like the 58 we're rocking?
Dude, this thing looks so tiny, bro. We're so used to using the bigger turbos.
I use my H cover for a week.
No, you're just gonna tease me at that point. But we're working on the Forester. Like I said, I hope you guys are excited for this and seeing this project, because I am super excited for this thing. To see the turbo here just makes it more real. I know it's just being held up, but definitely excited for how this thing's gonna come out. So let's go ahead and get the Honda loaded, and then we can get your car here. That's a big mission right there.
Yeah, that's.
Now everyone see the K-Swap STI.
So yeah, I'm ready as much as you guys are. Finally get it here because that pig's gone. So
damn, pig, come on.
She's pretty heavy. I had to push it when she decided to do
I got to push her now.
It was pretty
that was
heavy.
because it was locked up.
Yeah, I guess that's true.
Insert the clip.
Yeah, here,
locked
right
up.
Here, right. No, we're not gonna insert
Won't let me out.
I'm sliding. Should I go in it?
Huh? Here she comes. I'm not much help because I'm trying to record for you guys. Get it?
Don't push on the headlights. Josh, get in it.
I'm going.
No, get in it so we don't hit anything.
Well, now you gotta steer. Hands. Stop.
That's why we said get in it.
I'm never getting in now.
I thought you're skinny.
Okay, that should be good.
I'm skinny, but that's about it.
Damn, I didn't even get that on. Damn, I can't turn.
Hold on.
Hang on, we gotta turn. Stop, Chase. Alright, you got it. Hang on, strap. Alright, strap this thing down. And then we can get going. I know it's dark, guys, I'm sorry. Alright, we are back. Already got the Civic unloaded. Like I said, it's gonna be a dark video. But we are getting K-Swap STI out from the Snowberm. Oh yeah, we're toning it out with his new daily with the questionable clutch.
Yeah.
She is tucked away, getting snowed on. I see Chase found my snow scraper. Where'd you leave it? Oh my, don't be doing that to your paint. Man, you can't see anything over here. Well, I'm gonna have to show you guys once we get this thing out of here, because you can't even see me or anything out here. I can see Justin now. I can't see anything back there though.
No, it's dark.
Dark.
Dark and cold.
Transformer. This thing sounds like a electric car. The trailer's hooked up to the truck where I would pull his car out as I almost died.
Good. Now a little more. Good.
About to see how good this front wheel drive is.
Damn, I can't see. Chase, I want to see your sweet fog lights. Go for it.
Go for it. Waiting for the turbo to spool up. Yeah, you're gonna have to give her a little lunge. Damn, that thing fucking was gripping though. Oh, that's a good lunge. Damn, she's in there. The truck makes it look easy. Oh, you almost had it.
Yeah, I gotta break loose.
You almost had it. It was almost over. It was going. All right, we gotta help push. You won't be able to see.
Car, Chase? You want me to hook up? I got a D-ring on the back.
Maybe.
I pulled out 3 cars already with this car.
Well, hook her up then.
Yeah, hook her up.
Get your shit out of the way.
Chase is trying to prove a point.
Yeah. I couldn't see you, fucker. Here she is. She got pulled out. The old G40 got her. I thought this thing was K-power and reliable, dog. Why are you having to push it?
Because it ain't start yet.
Got him.
Here we go, we're sending it.
Oh, we're sending it. Yep. Going.
What about the floor? Fuck it. E-brake, e-brake, e-brake. Nope, that's all we got.
Damn. Oh,
Yeah, back
good
up the truck.
strapping.
Start grabbing.
Start grabbing the strap.
Or all 4 of us can push.
We were.
It was all
It's
4 of us.
pure ice. No, we don't have a winch in the trailer. That would have been way too nice.
Grab a jack and back up the trailer.
Oh, Josh is trying to get sketchy. I don't know. We'll show that on YouTube.
Right there, and then just back up.
Oh my. I don't know what we're going to do yet.
Push.
Push. That was fun, bud. When did you make your car run already?
I'm trying.
Josh, the car's looking pretty. Pretty slow. Ooh, got him.
It's a tuner.
Got, fuck you, bud.
Living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. Life up in the fast lane, fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Life, though you limits, you just put them in Coronas, Coronas, Coronas. I've been working, I need that advance with the bonus, the bonus, the bonus. Ain't no thoughts about tomorrow, I'm just living in the moment, the moment, the moment. Full tank of gas and 200 on the dash, bitch, I'm zoning, I'm zoning, I'm zoning, fast lane. Living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. Life up in the fast lane, fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground.